of Geeks for Geeks is buildings with sunlight. Given the array ARR of heights of certain buildings that lie adjacent to each other, sunlight starts falling from the left side of the buildings. If there is a building of a certain height, all the buildings to the right side of it having lesser height cannot see the sun. Find the total number of buildings that received sunlight. So in the first example we are given array AR equal to 6, 2, 8, 4, 11, 13. So in this example, if we take this example, left building, we will start from left to right. The question is says that we have to start from left side to the right side, and so the sunlight is coming from the left, and the building which having greater than or equal to height only received the sunlight. So in this array, the building 6, building with 6 height, building with 8 height, and the next building with 11 height, and the building with 13 height only received the sunlight, and the remaining buildings like 2 and 4 cannot receive the sunlight because they have lesser height. So the idea is to keep track of all the buildings having greater than or equal to heights of its previous building. So we will take the current building, which is the first building. For that we will take a variable current, and this current variable having the height of the first building, which is ARR of 0, and we will keep track of answers, which is a simple variable that start with 1, because at least one building have the sunlight. So starting from the first element, second element to the last element, we will check whether the how many elements having greater than or equal to height, okay, with its previous left building, previous left tallest building. So we will take for building in a ARR of from 1 to the last, and we will compare that if the height of the building, which is current height of the left building, is less than or equal to the current building, and if this condition is true, then what we would do, we would make its current equal to the current building. We will update the current, and what we will do, we will increment the answer array with 1. So answer will be incremented with 1, and current would be updated, and the result will be answer. So the total number of buildings are stored in this result. So in this way we will check this is right or wrong. Let's run it. So the given test case is passed, and we will submit this. Yeah, the question is correct. So in this way we can solve this question. So that if we talk about the complexity, because we have only 2 variables, so it is a simple constant time space complexity, and we have linear time complexity, big O of 1 space and big O of n time complexity.